Each time I opened a bunch of terminal windows, I wasted my time in figuring out the purpose of the windows. So I find a way to make this process much easier. But can I do it properly or not? All we have is the name of the tool and my laptop.
So what is Tmux? It's an open source command line tool that allows you to manage multiple terminal season. Wow, pretty nice. Basics. Yes. The seasons are a collection of window, okay, and windows, your virtual desktop, okay, and panes.
Okay, I don't do this yet. So in the next couple of hours, we have to set this up properly and must know the basics about it.
How to install Tmux? Yeah, I am in macOS. So, oh shit, Brew has Tmux. I have to know. Okay, so Brew install Tmux. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. Yes, yes, sure, yes. Perfect. Okay, so let's launch the Tmux. Oh, we have something for comments here also. So Tmux relies on a prefix key combination. Okay, then start a session with typing Tmux. Yes, I know this, and then detach. Ooh, wow. It's mean when I type Control P and then D, then Tmux will be detached from my current terminal, and it also running in the background while I. Oh yes, if I turn off my laptop, then should it run in the background also? Okay, then list active sessions. Tmux ls. Okay, yeah. Every programmer should know this. What did it do by the ls function? Okay, then reattach the last session. Tmux attached. I see. Screens. Oh, screen means this window, I guess. I'm not sure, but let me see. Then horizontally, okay. Okay, switch. Oh, yes, I got it. It's about window and it's about the panes. Yeah. 0, 0. It's the time. Wow, you see my time. Then detach means control B, then D. Oh, wow, perfect. It's detached. Okay, then if I list up the Tmux seasons, yes, 0. So one window. I want to name the season. So Tmux, I think, then slash h and then type the name. Hey Bob. Bob here. You see Bob. Okay. If I will detach with Bob, yeah, and then again, if we list up the seasons, yes, 0, and Bob will also here. Then first come up with Bob. So Tmux, if we write only Tmux, then it also open a new window with it. And if we want to open a specific windows, then we have to write Tmux with flag A and the name of the window. Let's say here the name is Pop. So if we want to open Pop again, then we have to write Tmux, then A, then targeting Bob by flag T. Flag T to targeting Bob. If we want to target the first window, then we have to write here 0. And because we turn on Bob, so Tmux, then flag A, then flag T with Bob. So it will open with Bob. Let's see. Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah. Here at the bottom left, we see our Bob is open. So let pressing the Control B. Control B is a thing that, let's say I tell Tmux to run up. So the hotkey for creating a new window in a screen, we have to press Control B and then C. Here you see. Here you see. We did it. We make a new window under Bob. Here Bob is our main server. Ooh, we can switch in between them by pressing it. Oh wow. Bob has two child. Then one child is called 0 and one child is called 1. But it seems like it's so stupid, nah. So if we change the name, so we have to press Control B and comma. See, you see, rename window name. So let's say it's called Rose. Bob has a child called Rose, and if we press here to it switch to 0 child, and then more 0 child window name will be one Rose and one say tulip. Okay, one rose and one tulip, no problem. And if we switch by keyboard manually, then we have to do Control B and then P. P for previous and for next. Yes, that's it. That's it. Simple. So now let's say we have a work with tulip, then we have to split it. So we have to press Control P and then Shift 5 means percentage. Here we go. If we go further and want to split even more, then we also have to press Control B and then percentage. Control B and then percentage. What? It's even bigger and bigger. I press Control B with Q. You see? You see what did you see? Control B with Q. See? See the index number of the panes in a single window. So Control B with Q 0 1. Oh shit. Oh 1 second. Control B with Q. 0 1 2 3 4 5. And here you see the 2 is red. Why it is 2 is red? Because we are stay in the index number 2 pane in the single window. If I go to the pin number 1. So now if Control B with Q, the red number is 1. Control B Q3. See? We are jump from 1 index to third index in the pane. 1 second. Control B Q0. See my cursor moves to this 3 numbered index from into the 0th index. 1 second. Control B Q2. See? That's how you can split the screen into panes and move around the panes by pressing the hotkeys. Okay. and it's only happen into the tulip window. So if we go to rose, see, rose is fully blank. And if I go to tulip, tulip is also here. Rose is blank. We detach from session Bob. So Bob is here. Let's say we create a new, because we are developer, we obviously need a dev session into Tmux. So Tmux new flag is with dev. Okay, we are in dev with Tmux, no problem. So now we have to rename it. So Control B with comma, rename the window, say AGY. AGY means anti-gravity. Anti-gravity CLI is anti-gravity CLI, and if you install it, it called like this. And yeah, here you see it's AGY. Okay, so then we called it AGY. But I have two more, one copilot and one open code. So if I have the all this together in a single session called dev, so I have to increase the node number from 0 to 0, 1 and 2. So 0, 1 and 2, how could you do that? Control B with C. So Control B with previous, and we'll go back to 1, then we'll Control B and comma, so we can rename the name. So let's say it's the copilot. Okay, and we have to go to the next. So Control B and comma, so rename the name with open code. Yes, open code. Perfect. So let's see. HY will open in. We go to Copilot and run the Copilot CLI here, and we go to open code and run the open code here. Okay, let's see. HY is done. Oh shit, here you go. See, two open codes is running in a single terminal alongside two Copilot is also running in a single terminal alongside two anti-gravity CLI is running simultaneously. If we have to achieve this without Tmux, then we have to open 6 different terminal in a single window. So what is TPM in Tmux? It is the T-Factor package manager used to install, update, and manage the third-party plugins that extend the functionality of your Tmux terminal multiplexer. Wow. So why we use the TPM? Plugins managed by TPM can completely transform your Tmux experience. Wow. Are you kidding me? Tmux Cappuccin. Step 1. Clone the TPM repository from GitHub. Bang. Wow. Repository github.com not found. Why? Okay, we have to troubleshoot this. Let's do it manually. So search for TPM GitHub. Yes, and here it is. Clone the repository from here. Boom. Oh, it's installed perfectly. Yes, so now the next step is update your Tmux config. Okay, so what it's tell is tell to open the config file and then paste these simple comments right there at the bottom of the file. Okay, let's do it. Control Alt and enter, and Control X, Control O. Then what should I do for enter? File name, huh? Okay, enter. Then Control X. Oh, yes, yes. Ha! So where I have to paste, oh sorry, press this. Press the Control B and then Shift I. You must press inside an active Tmux. Huh? Hit enter. What did so now I have to press Control B then Shift I. Not working. Let's do it again. Control B, then Shift I. Ooh, Tmux environment reloaded. Done. Press enter to continue. Enter. Boom. This means setup is completely successful. TPM is now officially working on your Mac. The configuration files are running perfectly okay. Mouse is supported. Yes, I know it. A live plugin manager already installed. Ooh, it's kinda already installed the tools. I didn't know. Step 2 is completed. Then we are into the step 3 reloaded. We already reloaded it. How to manage plugins moving forward. Okay, let's see. To install a plugin, add a set command to plugin in my config file. Okay, then inside the Tmux, press prefix key. Yes, Control B is the prefix key for Tmux, and then Shift I for install. Okay, I understand. Let's install TPM plugin for Tmux. Oh no, it's Catppuccin. Okay, it's already have a GitHub account for it. Perfect. Let's see. So it's spell Catppuccin. Let's copy it. Oh, what? Ooh, it's a pretty beautiful cat here. Wow. It's like the expression. Yeah, okay. So I understand. Let's install Catppuccin plugin. Thinking a little longer. Yes, you must have to think a little longer for me the perfect answer. Yes, great choice. I know. I knew about it. Important. What's the important? If you already use a net font, JetBrains Mono. Okay, I didn't have any net font installed my PC or Mac, whatever is it. Who cares? Okay, so again, I opened my configuration file. Scroll to your list of the plugins. Okay, at the very bottom, add a cappuccino right now. It's cappuccino, not cappuccino. Your files should look like this in the bold lines. Okay, the plugins tip name. I think it's already have. Okay. Then this and then this and then this. Now we recommend that explicitly setting the favor to mocha detaching so it look consistent. Save and reload. Okay, it's below your Tmux. Okay, step 3, install the plugin. So let's open again with the nano. Here my nano. Now how would I save it? Control O, then enter, then context. Yes, I remember this. Tmux source and then flag for Tmux config file. Perfect. Con F and then hit enter. Control P, then instantly shift type. Oh shit, is oh yes. And what is the 266 here? It's 2026, not 266. Is it supposed to look like this, I guess, or not? Huh? Yes and no. Yes, the plugin is working because the colors, the dark gray background and pastel purple text are correct. You successfully installed the mocha flavor, okay? But I think it's not fancy. Is it? Does maybe like fancy screenshot to you yourself because you are on the default basic mode. By default, the new version of plugins gives you the colors but keeps the text formatting simple like zero. Ah, yes. It's going rounded and changes the colors also. Oh, you see? This absolutely you can see. So, is this the only thing Cappuccin can do or anything else I missed about it? The green boxes with question mark. Okay. You see? How can I fix this? So, step 1, download a net font. What is net font? Ooh, I can see here a bunch of fonts available for downloads. Ooh, here it is. Yes. JetBrains mono-nerd font. Okay, let's download it. Yes, allow. So I have to put this into the terminal with command comma text section, look for font and change the button into JetBrains mono-nerd font. Okay, for sure, no problem. Here is selected SF mono regular 11. So let's change it into, oh, I find it. It's bold italic version. Okay, no problem. I think it's already changed. Oh, yes, it's already applied. No problem then. Is it officially 100% done and absolutely perfect? Yeah, and oh, I get some new superpower. Oh, let's see. Mouse control, click between panes, track to resize them, or use your trackpad to scroll through history. I see. Oh, also the Vim copy mode available. Control B, then open braces with HJKL. Okay, and Y to copy it straight in my Mac. Perfect. Modern themes. The themes is fully loaded and will stay like this. Okay. What is the final option for the future? The Tmux plugin called a Restruct? No, Rescrate. What's the correct pronunciation of this? The new line above my file run line, I have to put the plugin block before the run option. Okay, no problem. And then paste it here. Perfect. Then Control O with enter. Perfect. And then Control X. Wow, what's my new superpower? Oh, I can save my session by pressing Ctrl B then Ctrl S. Let's check. Oh, nothing happened. You'll see a message at the bottom saying saving Tmux environment. I didn't see it. To restore the session, open terminal, type Tmux to start a fresh environment by pressing Ctrl B and then Ctrl R for restore. Okay. Ooh, I am pressing my trackpad and move around. Ooh, it smoothly turned it. Perfect. Let's check. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Wow. You see, it's very cool to use. Now you can see I opened 4 open code sessions simultaneously, but the save option didn't work till now. Okay, this is a classic hidden issues on Macs. These are two very likely reasons why Control S is certainly failing for me. But why? The flow control trap? Mac terminal pressing Control S does not save a save command. Oh, triggers an old unique feature called XOFF. What is XOFF? It's a flow control character used in computer and telecommunication to pause the transmission of data. Oh, what's the solution for this? Yes, change the key and force start. Okay. Again, we have to go to config file, then alter some settings in it for the solution. Okay, let's detach this. Now Tmux kill the server. So I came after restarting my laptop and to see if it's now working or not. Yes, the message is popped up. The Tmux environment is perfectly safe. Ooh, it's properly restored again. Wow. So as you see, I open 4 open code session to see if it's already saved or not. If I directly saved from here instead of turn off the open code sessions. So yes, it's work.
Oh my gosh, we finally did it. Thank God. I'm so glad to do it properly. I didn't think that I can complete this in a single take. Perfect. Now I have an idea. I'm connecting Tmux with AI agents so one terminal can run my entire development workflow. But obviously in the next video. Bye. Bye.